Today we'll be making a bra cup. Let's get started, guys. Let's jump right into it. We'll be making a slip stitch and we'll be chaining 14. After making that 14, we'll be preparing for a double crochet and go into the third chain from the hook. And then we're just going to double crochet all the way down to the last one. I'm just getting some yarn. So we're coming up until the end. In the last chain, in the last stitch, you're going to put 3 double crochet. And this will help us to form the point or the curve. Okay, so at this point we place 3 in it. We're going to place 2, we're going to chain 2, sorry, then we're going to place 3 more double crochet into the same space. This will turn our work, so we'll be working on the opposite side now. So after chaining that 2, we'll be working all the way down, double crocheting all the way down to the end of this. Sorry about the noises in the background. We have some dogs barking and the cars passing by. But I hope you do enjoy this tutorial. It's very beginner friendly. And this is a basic way to make a bra cup. And you can do so many stuff with this. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please remember that you can like, share, and subscribe the videos. Also, you can comment to see what you would like me to do next. And let's enjoy the journey. Journey with Lyrax. Alright, so when we get to the end, we're just going to chain 2. Ensure that you get the last stitch, guys, or your work will be off. At the end, as I said, we're going to be chaining 2, and then we'll be going up So you chain 2. So sorry about that, guys. After chaining 2, we're going to skip the first stitch. I'll show you in a minute. Let me just get some more yarn. Alright, so prepare for a double crochet. We're going to skip the one that's attached to the one on the needle. So we're going to skip this one right here and we're going to the second one, right? Which our first double crochet. Because we don't want to be increasing. And all we'll be doing is to be double crocheting all the way up to the space that we made by putting 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. In that space we're going to be putting 2 more double crochet, chaining 2, and then putting 2 more double crochet. I hope that makes sense. I'll be leaving this part in so you can see this part. So let me explain again. Chain 2, skip the first stitch, that's the stitch that attached to the needle because we don't want to be increasing. Double crochet all the way down to the space, place 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 more double crochet, and just work double crochets all the way down, right? Then chain 2 and do the same. So that's the step you will be basically repeating. So you're going to be doing that for as many rows as you want until you get the desired size that you're looking for. So I'm just going to leave this in for So we have completed one. Here is my one. So all you have to do is to repeat the steps and make a second one. So I did a total of 5 rows. You can increase as you want to increase. So here are my 2 cups. It was simple, as I said, beginner friendly. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, journey with Lorax.